Hindi po. Wow, I'm so many here.
Medyo naipita ka ng milk.
Have a nice happy inside bye.
Monday, makikita natin. Update mo ko
Okay,
kasi.
here is the bed in the water. Fine, here is I'm going to sleep Molly. It's okay. Okay, I'm going to wake up 5 minutes lay down. Okay, I awake. I can. Okay. Ano ba ito? Yeah, internet my bed. Okay, by the way, going to school.
Wala akong ano gagawin ng pipi kung ano sasabihin.
Hi, Daddy. Bakit?
Ano oras?
Bakit? Titoy.
Ng maga? Maga kang pupunta dun.
Ay, Daddy. Nothing to go in my house. Go in my house. Where there is my dad in my house. There is mom and daddy sleeping over there. And I'm going to Daddy, mommy, daddy. Mama, what are you doing here? Okay. Actually, my mommy and daddy wake.
Nakapokus ka sa therapy.
Okay. Going to buy and going to my going to turn it to be 5 minutes late. There's something that to remember that can
Tapos yung kung ano yung ano nakita nila sa'yo kung bakit natin ganyan sasabihin mo.
Well, English say bye. I'm going to go sleep in my house. Goodbye.